Meanwhile, officials stress that there is no immediate threat to the crew or the ship. The USS Abraham Lincoln continues its mission, conducting operations as planned. Sailors aboard the carrier are trained for scenarios exactly like this one, where seconds matter and calm decision-making can prevent disaster. As night falls, the world watches closely. What happened near the USS Abraham Lincoln is more than just a close encounter at sea. It is a signal of the changing nature of conflict, where shadows, signals, and silent machines play as much of a role as missiles and warships. Tonight's incident may fade from headlines in the coming days, but its implications will linger. In an era defined by rapid technological advancement and rising strategic competition, even a single drone buzzing a nuclear warship can carry consequences far beyond the horizon. We will continue to follow this developing story and bring you updates as more information becomes available. For now, the message from the world's oceans is clear: the balance of power is being tested, and the margin for error has never been smaller. International reaction is already beginning to take shape. Military observers across Europe and Asia are closely monitoring developments, while diplomatic channels are reportedly active behind the scenes. Incidents involving nuclear-powered warships carry enormous symbolic weight, and even indirect challenges to such vessels can send shockwaves through global markets and alliances. This event also raises critical questions about the future of naval warfare. Traditional concepts of sea power are being reshaped by unmanned systems, cyber capabilities, and electronic warfare. A single drone, relatively inexpensive compared to a nuclear aircraft carrier, can still force billion-dollar assets into high-alert status. That imbalance is redefining strategic thinking at the highest levels. Former naval commanders say these encounters are designed to gather data. By observing how U.S. forces respond, rival militaries can learn about radar coverage, reaction times, communication protocols, and defensive thresholds. In that sense, the drone's mission may have already achieved its objective, regardless of whether it was intercepted. The political implications are equally significant. With the United States facing increased pressure on multiple fronts, any perceived challenge to its military assets becomes part of a larger narrative about power, deterrence, and resolve. Lawmakers in Washington are already calling for a firm stance, emphasizing that American forces must remain vigilant and uncompromising. As the drone continued to circle the area, U.S. naval commanders were forced to make rapid decisions. Fighter jets were placed on standby, electronic warfare systems were activated, and escort vessels moved into defensive formations. The carrier strike group shifted posture within minutes, highlighting the level of preparedness demanded in today's evolving battlefield. Defense analysts warn that such encounters are becoming increasingly common as rival powers test American response times and defensive capabilities. Drones, once considered secondary tools, are now frontline instruments in modern warfare. They can gather intelligence, jam communications, and in extreme scenarios, deliver precision strikes. Tonight's incident serves as a stark reminder of that reality. The timing of the event has drawn particular attention. The USS Abraham Lincoln is currently operating in a region already strained by geopolitical rivalries, military posturing, and competing territorial claims. Any miscalculation in such an environment could escalate rapidly, turning a surveillance mission into a full-scale crisis. Sources familiar with the situation indicate that the drone was ultimately neutralized or forced to retreat, though official confirmation remains limited. The Pentagon has declined to release specific operational details, citing security concerns. However, a senior defense official described the response as measured, professional, and effective. Good evening. We begin tonight with breaking developments from the world's most volatile waters, where a dramatic and highly sensitive military encounter has raised alarms across global defense circles. Reports confirm that a suspected spy drone carried out a bold and dangerous close-range operation near one of America's most powerful naval assets, the USS Abraham Lincoln, a nuclear-powered aircraft carrier deployed in a high-tension region. According to multiple defense sources, the unmanned aerial vehicle was detected hovering dangerously close to the carrier strike group, triggering immediate response protocols from U.S. Navy forces. While officials have stopped short of calling it a direct attack, the incident is being described as a serious provocation and a clear intelligence-gathering attempt aimed at America's nuclear-capable warship. The USS Abraham Lincoln, often referred to as a floating fortress, represents the pinnacle of U.S. naval dominance. Powered by nuclear reactors and carrying dozens of advanced fighter jets, the carrier plays a central role in projecting American power across the globe. Any unauthorized approach toward such a vessel is treated as a potential threat, and tonight's incident underscores just how fragile the security environment has become. Radar systems aboard the carrier reportedly picked up the drone as it entered restricted airspace. Navy officials say the drone displayed unusual flight behavior, maintaining altitude and distance consistent with high-resolution surveillance operations. This was not a lost civilian drone, sources emphasize, but a sophisticated platform believed to be operated by a foreign military or intelligence agency.